In this video, I'm going to go over how to massage out the inner quad and the adductor muscles. So what we want to do with this one is get the foam roller high up into the groin area here and set our weight into it, and then we're going to massage down in towards the knee. This is really good at releasing tension in the adductor muscles, the groin muscles, but also the VMO or the vastus medialis muscle. This is that big teardrop muscle that you'll see in bodybuilders, CrossFit athletes, and really strong cyclists. You'll see this muscle very developed here. So it gets a lot of tension in there. We want to massage it out. So the way this looks is you want to start with the foam roller perpendicular to your thigh here. So you're going to start like this, using your opposite arm and leg as support, and then you're going to use your foot on the side that you're rolling as an additional support here to help vary the weight. Now you're going to start again way up high into here, and then you're going to bring your body into this cross crawl pattern here, and you're just paying attention to where the muscles feel tight and sore, and wherever you feel that, just stop and just let your body weight sink into that spot for about 20-30 seconds. That's going to help decrease the muscle tension in that focal spot. After 30 seconds, you're going to continue down, and you'll go all the way to the knee and then back up. And you can do several passes, and you can try changing the line to where you hit a little bit more of the upper portion of these muscles all the way to the backside here. Now each time you find those sore spots, stop, put your weight behind it, 30 seconds or so, and then after, if there's still some nagging spots of tightness there, you can get a lacrosse ball, set this on the ground, and you'll go back and just fine tune the release of those muscles with the lacrosse ball, because this will be very specific, a lot of pressure in those focal spots of tightness. Now, in this position, the area that the lacrosse ball works best, in my opinion, is working that vastus medialis muscle, so that big teardrop muscle that gets tight on, again, cyclists and some other athletes that use their quads quite a bit. So you'll just put the ball right in that spot, right into that muscle where you feel the tightness, and then just let your body weight sink into it and hold it for about 30 seconds or so. And then you'll just work the various spots wherever you feel the muscle tension there. So doing this on a daily basis, spending a few minutes each day, is much better than just trying to cram in a bunch one day a week. So doing this in conjunction with some manual therapy, some myofascial release in the clinic, you're going to see a lot of results at loosening up those muscle tissues and helping out the condition that you're coming in to see us with.